Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two keyword researchers platform, which is Surfer SEO and Ubersuggest. So let's get started with a quick beginner and a comparison review about these two platforms. So in 2025, Surfer SEO is the go-to tools for content-focused keyword research. It doesn't just suggest keywords, it analyzes the top ranking page and show exactly how to structure your content and how often to use the keywords and which competitors or what competitors are doing. It's ideal for bloggers, content marketers, and SEO writers who want real-time data-packed guidance for writing. So far, also include content scoring, AI tools, and seamless integrations with Google Doc and optimized publishing. Talking about Ubersuggest, on the other hand, is better suited for broad keyword research and SEO planning. It gives user keywords value, SEO difficulties, content ideas, and basic site audit. It's beginner friendly, affordable, and offers tools like backlink data, rank tracking, and domain analysis. However, it lacks the deep on-page content optimization feature and real-time SRP analysis that so far provides. Now, on the other hand, Surfer SEO remains a go-to to write SEO optimized content that rank, and go with Ubersuggest if you are starting with SEO and want a simple, budget-friendly tools for keywords, ideas, and Uber strategies. Surfer is the best for writing, writers, and content teams, while Ubersuggest fit beginners and small businesses. And that's it.